You wanted the inside scoop on OpenSea's new platform, OS2.
Oh, yeah. Well,
It's juicy.
get ready for some drama because the NFT world is buzzing.
Big time.
And not all of it's happy buzzing. We're diving deep today into the OS2 controversy, and let me tell you,
It's a good one.
we've got receipts, folks, straight from the source to break down exactly what went down.
Buckle up.
But first, for anyone living under a rock, OpenSea, they're the big kahuna, the top dog, the King Kong of NFT marketplaces. You know what I mean.
If you're buying or selling NFTs, chances are you're doing it on OpenSea.
Exactly. So when they announce a brand spanking new platform, OS2, naturally everyone's ears perk up, right?
Oh, yeah. Big expectations.
Okay, so OS2, what's the big deal? It's their total revamp, supposedly making everything faster, smoother, just a better experience overall.
The NFT dream,
It's
basically.
the NFT dream. But here's where the wheels start to come off. The beta launch. They decided to go with a very, shall we say, exclusive beta test.
Exclusive is putting it mildly. Basically, only Gemesis NFT holders and a random, seemingly 50,000 other users got the golden ticket.
Out of millions of users.
Millions. Imagine waiting in line for years.
Years.
And then being told, sorry, we're only letting these VIPs in first. Ouch.
Yeah, not a good look. Especially for a platform that's built its reputation on being, open and accessible to everyone.
Exactly. It's like, what about us regular folks who help build you up, OpenSea? Huh? What about us?
Right, and to add fuel to the fire, there are all these rumors swirling about a potential OpenSea airdrop.
Ah, yes, the airdrop mystery. For those not in the know, an airdrop is basically free tokens, like a little crypto gift that platforms sometimes give out.
Yeah, think of it like a thank you to loyal users.
Right, and we've seen competitors like Blur and Magic Eden use these airdrops really effectively to gain traction.
Oh yeah, it's a smart strategy. Rewards your users, creates buzz, everybody wins.
Exactly. But here's where it gets interesting. OpenSea, they went ahead and registered a company in the Cayman Islands.
Which, let's be honest,
Come on, spill the tea.
that's a classic pre-airdrop move. Happens all the time.
So you have to wonder, are they planning on rewarding only a select group of users with this airdrop too? Like, are we seeing a pattern here?
It's all speculation at this point, but you can't blame people for connecting the dots.
Absolutely. And the NFT community, let me tell you, they were not having it. Big names, big players, people like Tyler D and Beanie, they went on full Twitter rant mode.
Yeah, they didn't hold back, calling out OpenSea for basically betraying their loyal user base.
It's almost like OpenSea forgot who buttered their bread, you know?
Right, like they got too big for their britches.
Now, their CEO, Devin Finzer, he did try to do some damage control. Popped up on social media, said all the right things, we value all our users, blah, blah, blah.
But very vague. No concrete plans, no apologies.
Yeah, a lot of talk, not a lot of action. Felt very, how do you say, politician trying to smooth things over.
Exactly. And it's not just about hurt feelings, right? This whole situation raises some bigger questions about OpenSea and their direction.
Right, because they've always been all about decentralization, putting the power in the hands of the people. But this whole OS2 rollout, it feels very
Centralized.
controlled.
Very top-down. Not the vibe they've cultivated before.
So where does this leave OpenSea?
In a tricky spot, for sure. They're still the biggest player, no doubt, but this has definitely damaged their reputation.
So the question is, will they learn from this? Will they course correct and win back the trust of their community?
Or will this push users towards more, truly decentralized alternatives?
It's a real make or break moment for them.
Yeah.
And it really highlights something crucial. In the NFT world, community and trust, those are everything. OpenSea might have the tech, but they can't afford to alienate the very people who made them successful in the first place.
100%.
And that brings us to a question for you, dear listener. What do you think loyalty should mean in this wild, decentralized world? How do you think platforms can balance innovation and the needs of their community?
It's something we all need to think about as we navigate this constantly evolving space.
It is indeed. So until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay engaged.
We'll see you in the metaverse.